Hi, I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag, and we're here with Acer looking at the various laptops that they're showing in their mainstream laptop line. Specifically, we're looking at the Acer Swift Go and the Acer Aspire. First, we've got the Acer Swift Go 14. Now, there's a lot to love about this laptop, but let's start with the specs. So you've got an Intel Core Ultra processor up to a Core Ultra 9, that's Core Ultra Series 2. Intel Arc graphics driving all your visuals, as much as 32 gigs of RAM, a terabyte of SSD storage, along with features like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity. In addition, it's got this very cool touchpad. It's covered with Corning Gorilla Glass, but in addition to your usual touchpad functionality, you're swiping, you're clicking, it's got built-in contextual controls that let you do things like control media playback right at the touchpad, so you don't have to hunt for a button, you don't need to look for a shortcut, and you're ready to go. Let's move on to the next. So next up, we've got the Swift Go 16 AI, and that's an important distinction. The previous Swift Go we looked at is a Copilot PC, so it does have some AI features. This is a Copilot Plus PC, powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 AI chip. That's going to give you more features, more capabilities on the device. Additionally, you've got a cool indicator right here on the touchpad that lights up and glows whenever the NPU is in use. So you know when AI is doing things, even if it's happening in the background. Additionally, you've got both IPS and OLED screen options. OLED goes up to 3K resolution, but one of the coolest features here is what's called user sensing. When you're sitting in front of the laptop, it watches you. If you look away, the screen will dim to keep someone else from snooping over your shoulder. If you walk away, the screen will lock. And coming back, when you return to the PC, it wakes up on its own using Windows Hello facial recognition. Super convenient, seamless, secure. That's everything you want. All right, lastly, we're looking at the Acer Aspire 14 AI. Now, the Aspire line is known as being maybe not budget, but more of a mainstream affordable price. And in this case, we're seeing Copilot Plus capabilities at an incredibly affordable price point, $799. That's the most affordable we've seen for these sorts of AI features. Now, this is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Intel Arc graphics, 32 gigs of RAM, up to 2 terabytes of SSD storage. But really, that AI capability at that price point is the most affordable we've seen, and we're really excited about it. So that's Acer's mainstream family of laptops with new AI functionality. We're really excited to show you more from the show here at CES 2025, both AI and otherwise. So stick with us all week long. We're PC Mag.